Repeat buyers are the secret to long-term profit. In this video, I'll show you how the top Amazon sellers re-engage customers in 2025. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so number one is you can re-engage customers with subscriptions. So if you're not enrolled in subscriptions, every product you have should be enrolled in subscribe and save. You'll be surprised that even people who don't buy your product over and over again are still going to enroll and buy your product over and over again, right? So you can see subscribe and save right here. And what people can do is they get like a little discount. And then what they can do is every 4 months or every 1 month, whatever they want to do, they automatically get another order of this item. Again, you'll be surprised people sign up for it or they forget that they sign up for it and it automatically charges their credit card. So to enroll in this, you're just going to go to sellercentral.com and then you're going to do /SNS. So Sally, Nancy, Sally, SNS /manage. Okay, it's going to take you right to the subscribe and save dashboard. If you can't find it, you can also go here and just type in subscribe and save, and then it'll show up. But once you're here, you want to opt in all of your products. You want to opt in automatic enrollment. There's no penalties for this. It's only going to help your sales, right? And I already did the math. You can see our subscriptions right here, and we're not even trying. So let's say 21 subscriptions, 9 subscriptions, 25 subscriptions. If we add up all the subscriptions, right, we have 85 subscriptions right now. The average sell price is around like $50 to $90, so $50 to $99. That means with this, just with turning on subscribe and save, we're getting an extra around $4,000 to $8,500 every, it looks like 4 months, which isn't bad. That's practically an extra $1,000 a month minimum just from these subscribe and save buyers. And these are long-term buyers that are going to be buying your product over and over and over again. And this number usually doesn't go down, it only goes up. So the more you do this, the more you promote your product, the longer you stay on Amazon, the more subscriptions you're going to get, the more long-term customers and sales you're going to generate. Now, this is the secret tool that almost nobody used, and it's called brand tailored promotions. If you have a trademark, this is the time to utilize it. You're just going to go into Amazon, go to advertising, brand tailored promotions. This is where you can re-engage customers, and it's completely free. Like, there's no extra fees to do this. You just give them a discount. You can get new customer acquisitions. You click on this button and you click next, and you can do for all of your products. And look, abandoned cart. So customers, here, let me zoom in so you can see. Customers who have added any of your branded products to their cart in the last 90 days but haven't purchased, you can put your product in front of them and give them a discount. And this is not Amazon ads. This is completely different. So Amazon is actually saying there's 1,713 people who clicked on our product but didn't buy in the last 90 days, and we can retarget them. So you can click on that, click next, and then look, you can have a customer discount, a minimum of 10%, and then you can set a budget, promotion start date, end date, and Amazon's automatically going to show your product in front of these customers. And so this is pretty awesome. Once your audience size kind of grows, you can also target high potential new customers or high intent customers, things like that. There's also customer retention. So you can see customers who purchased recently, buy occasionally, and spend above average in order to convert a loyal customer. Encourage purchases through marketing engagement. So another way that you can do that. And then there's other one, repeat customers. You can retarget them depending on their size. Recent customers, high spend customers. You've got re-engagement. So you can do at risk. Customers who haven't purchased recently nor frequently with varied spend. At-risk customers can be engaged through discounts, promotions, and other incentives. Declining customers of your brand's promising audience who are predicted to spend less with your brand in the next year. So again, all these different promotions that you can run, even cross-sell. So you can cross-sell products to customers again. But the new customer acquisition is priceless. If I can get, let's see how many So if we can get new customers, I think that's going to be a huge benefit. We can do all products. There's 1,713. And even if we convert 10%, that's still around 100 people. So we definitely want to do this. And if we sell it for $100 and we convert 100 people, give them just $10 discount, that can be a big ROI, especially if they come back and start ordering more and more and more and trust our brand, right? So that discount might help us. And this is a great promotion that you can do long term, right? And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on a new Amazon topic that I should talk about in my next video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your inventory, promotions, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon or trying to find the next promotion to run for your product. We can do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.